Hello, welcome back. Today I'll be showing you on how to calculate leveling using rise and fall method and height of instrument method. Height of instrument method can also be called collimation method. Here we have the table for rise and fall method. We have list of tables here. We have back sides, intermediate side, first side, rise, fall, reduce level. Now these are the observation we make that was obtained from the sites. Here we have our backside value, intermediate sites, and others. Now, in order for us to calculate our rise and fall and then reduce level, what we do is we take the first value observed from site, which is the back side, subtract from the intermediate side. It's going to give us a value. The value that we obtain is either going to be a positive value or a negative value. If it's a positive value, then it's going to fall under rise. It's going to rise, that is, it's going to be a positive value. If it's a positive value, it's going to be a rise value. And then if it's a negative value, it's going to fall under 4. Now let's start. 4 subtract from 6.21 subtract from 4.92. What do we have?
Plus 1.290.
1.290. 4.92 subtract from 6.12. What do we have?
Minus 1.200.
1.200. 6.12 subtract from 8.42. What do we have?
Minus 2.300.
2.300. 9.84 subtract from 6.63. What do we have?
Plus 3.210.
3.210. 7.91 subtract from 8.26. What do we have?
Minus 0.350.
0.350. Then 8.26 subtract from 9.71. What do we have?
Minus 1.450.
1.450. Now, after you obtain your rise and fall value, so what you do now is, okay, to get our reduced level, what we have to do is addition or subtraction of rise and fall will give us the next reduced level. That is plus, since this one is falling on rise, it's going to be 1.290 plus the initial reduced level. What do we have?
101.290.
101.290. Now, subtract 1.201 from the previous reduced level. What do we have?
100.090.
0.090. Now, 2.3, this from this, what do we have?
97.790.
97.790. Okay. This plus this, what do we have?
101.000.
0.000. Okay, this from this, what do we have?
100.650.
650. Then the last reduced level.
99.
This from this, what do we have?
99.200.
99.200. Now we have some formulas here, that is summation of all back sides. What do we have?
23.960.
Summation of all these back sides is going to give us 23.960. Summation of all four sides, what do we have?
24.760.
760. And then we have this last reduced level from subtract from first reduced level, which is 99.200 minus 100.000, which is equals to what?
Minus 0.8.
Minus 0.8. Now, we have this formula here that says summation of back sides from summation of back sides minus summation of four sides, which is 23.960 minus 24.760, which is equals to what?
Minus 0.8.
Which is equals to minus 0.8. Now, after doing your computation, you have to obtain same results. That is, you have to have same answer after you deduce for the reduced level and the back sides with your front side. It must give you same results in order for you to know that what you calculated for was accurate, was correct. Now, coming to height of instruments, here we have back sides and other things. We have the readings on the board here. Starting from our back sides, we want to calculate for the height of instruments and reduce level. Now, in order for us to do that, the back sides, we have value for our back side, which is 6.21 plus the reduced level. What do we have?
106.210.
So your back side plus the first reduced level is going to give us the first height of instrument, which is 106.210. And technically, you have to take note of this, that anytime you have any station where you have back sides, that is where you have to calculate for your height of instrument. So the next place for you to calculate for your height of instrument is going to be on this station here, which is, in order for you to calculate for this station here, what you will do is this value from this value, add it to your initial height of instrument, going to give you the next height of instrument, that is 9.84 subtract from 8.42. You add it together to this the previous height of instrument. It's going to give us the next height of instrument, which is
107.630.
107.630. Now, the last height of instruments where we have our back sides is this station here. So 7.91 subtract from 6.63 plus 107.630 is going to give us
108.910.
108.910. Then after you've done obtaining your height of instrument value, then you have to get your reduced level value. Now to get our reduced level now, subtract 4.92 from 106.210. What do we have?
101.290.
Okay, 106.12 subtract from 106.210. What do we have?
100.090.
Okay, this is the next height of instrument. So to obtain the next height of instrument is going to be 8.42 subtract from 107.630. What do we have?
97.790.
790. And then the last height of instrument, which is this, is going to be 6.63 subtract from 108.910. What do we have?
101.000.
101.000. Now 8.26 subtract from 108.910. What do we have?
100.650.
650. And then 9.71 subtract from 108.910. What do we have?
99.200.
Now we have the formula that says, just like the formula I used here the other time. Summation of all back sides, what do we have? 23.960. Summation of all four sides, we have 24.760. And then last reduced level, which is 99.200, subtract from 100.000. Yeah, we have, which is equal to minus 0.8. Now, this formula says summation of all back sides minus summation of all four sides, that is 23.960 minus 24.760, which is equal to minus 0.8. Now, you can see exactly the same thing we obtained when using height of instrument and rise and fall method. You can see now on our reduced level we obtain same value for the reduced level. Shows the computation was well computed. Thank you.